come from. Whoa, original prayer out there. Before I was born, I was sworn. Angels on my left, ancestors to my right, singing to the flesh, you'll soon go. Getting all that you now know. Turn it back around and remember us again. Now I really see it, every one of us has a mountain that we must climb. I'm at the bottom, looking to the top. See the higher me, the one I wanna be. Said I got lost, looking for the way, following the others, telling me they know, but they don't know the way for me. I know the way now, I got the power. I heard something calling me from the top of the mountain, saying there's no one who knows better than you, so understand.